I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop whispers from strangers on the Twitch website. Step 1. Navigate to twitch.tv and then click your profile icon at the top of this screen to open a menu. Step 2. Click Settings in this menu. Your Twitch settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Click Security and Privacy in the menu at the top of this screen. Step 4. Scroll down to the Security and Privacy menu until you get to the Block Whispers from Strangers section, and then click to toggle this option on. While this feature is enabled, all Twitch whispers from strangers will be blocked unless you message them first. Additionally, a stranger is anyone you don't follow or subscribe to, and also someone who is not one of your mods or one of your editors. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.